Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we add priorities of the task we have done on the Asana. So let's get started. Once you open the Asana app, you will get this page. Go to any of the tasks you have done here and just double click this and you can see you will get this page. Here you can see priority option and you just have to click on the scroll down icon and you can see you can set the priority here. If you want it high, you can just keep it on high, and again I am just clicking on this scroll down icon. You can also edit options. If you want, you can just change the title and description here. You can also add an option here if you want. Now you can just save changes. So once you will see this, you can also keep it on 32 as I have just randomly set priority here. Also again you can just click on the scroll down icon and click on the priority. So this is how you can just set the priority of the task here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.